Hi there, welcome back. Today is the last day, day 5, of our 5 Days of Christmas video collaboration with Marna from the Blythe Rescued channel. Well, the forecast was right, the snow has arrived. Today's theme is 5 golden rings. Marna and I will each make something festive for our Blythe dolls and wrap up our fun Christmas collab. We won't have to worry about 6 geese, 7 swans, 8 maids, or the rest of the song. When I thought about what to make today, my mind went to jewellery, so here you can see I've looked out some supplies. I've taken these bits and pieces from my big bag of costume jewellery. I looked for gold and have separated these findings to use today. I've got a little clasp and a length of larger scale chain that I think I will snip to leave behind 5 larger rings. There's also this fine chain which would make a lovely necklace for my Blythe. I think I'll combine them all and make a pretty but simple necklace for today. I'm afraid my camera stopped recording while I snipped these rings and attached this clasp, but here they are now. I need another ring for the clasp to grab onto and a little help from these reading glasses. There we go. Now, clearly the chain is too long, so I'll cut it to size, taking into account the length of the larger rings here. I'll use my lovely model here to check against. And there we go. A tiny chain with a clasp in the middle. Now I need some jump rings in the same colour to attach the rings with, but all I have is this thin beading wire. It should be strong enough at that scale though, so I use round-nosed pliers to wrap the wire around, making a little coil like this. Then I can use my wire snips to cut across all the wire on one side, separating the coil into little rings here. Now I can use the needle-nosed pliers to open and close these jump rings around the chain ends. It's very fiddly work, but there it is, a completed necklace with a decorative section of 5 gold rings. Now, to see if I can close it around her neck. I was careful not to make it too small. Yes, there, it's closed. I'll pop her bag back on and she's all dressed up. What a lovely way to finish off her outfit. It's pretty simple, but a little touch of jewellery is always fun. Please check out Marna's video series as well and let us know what you think of our crafts in the comments. Let's go and have a closer look at all of your outfit now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it all. What a wonderful series. Thanks again to Marna of Blythe Rescued for having me, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely Christmas. Take care. Bye.